have the Samsung Galaxy S23, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to mute all notification sounds. So what you need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then go to notification sound, tap on that, and then you can choose to mute notifications for either of the SIM cards. Now this is a dual SIM Galaxy S23, but if you have a single SIM Galaxy S23, it should take you directly into this page. But since I have a dual SIM S23, it's going to give me the options for both SIM cards. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one, and then push this volume slider all the way down until it cancels the sound. Now you'll still get vibrations for notifications, but they'll never make a sound again. Okay, so you can do the same for the other SIM card if you want to. And that's going to mute all notification sounds for your Galaxy S23. You'll still feel vibrations, you'll still get all your notifications, but they'll never make a sound. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.